Hello everyone, yes, today let me show you Nike Kobe 8 or the Kobe GX Bash. Yes, colorful of the shoes. You can see here's the left foot. Yeah, there's the right foot. Yes, very different of the upper design. Yes, colorful upper design. Okay. Molded inner sole with the airbag under the inner sole, and 2F for shoes lace. Okay, here's the tongue. Here's the tongue. Okay, and then the tongue Kobe logo. And here's the outsole, clear rubber outsole with the real carbon fiber. Okay, we have the clear Kobe logo, clear rubber with the Kobe logo and the real carbon fiber on the sole. Yeah, and the shoes come with the strong shoes box with gold Kobe logo on the shoes box. And here's the box label. Yes, you can see the shoes looks perfect. So if you like a length, you can place your order on my site of flycakes.net, or you may contact me by my WhatsApp. Thank you.